How to use the email editor on Deliveryman. Once you have created a campaign, you can go to email sequences. Here you can use a single subject line for email threading, which means that if you're sending like three emails to one particular lead, you can just add one single subject line. Look. Okay, and all the emails that will be sent will be using this subject line. If you do not want to do that and you want to send each email separately, then you can just toggle this option off, and all the email you will have to then specify subject line for every single email that will go to these people. It is recommended that you use a single subject line because then it adds up as a follow-up email to the last particular email that the user is going to receive. Then you can add multiple emails to your thread. You can add all the columns that you have previously imported while adding the CSV. You can also use a Spintax while adding. And you can conclude. You can add the sender name by just using this particular option, and whatever email ID it is being sent from, it will replace it from first name, last name. And all you have to do is save. You can also determine if you want to send it as an HTML or rich text format, or you can send it as a plain text email. And if you are sending it as an HTML or rich text format, you will be able to track the open rates and click rates in plain text. Your deliverability is going to be higher, but you would not be able to track the open and click rates. So you can choose accordingly. Once you've saved it, you can add follow-up emails also. For example, I send this particular email, and if I don't receive any response, then on the second day, I will send a particular email. It is ideally recommended that you do not send links in the first email that you have added, but you can send it from the second or third email that you want to send to. Once you're done, you can simply send a test email, add your email address here, send a test email. Once it is being sent, it will show you the success message. You can verify if the email is perfect as you have added here. If it is perfect, you can go ahead, review the settings, and simply start the campaign or schedule them.